Everyone is talking about how AI is changing the world. But here's what no one tells you. Most companies are struggling to actually make it work. AI is supposed to be the biggest business advantage of the decade. But when it comes time to actually roll it out, most teams hit a wall. Whether it's privacy risk, lack of skills, or resistance from your own team, implementing AI isn't just a tech challenge, it's a transformation challenge. So we dug into a major 2025 survey of over 1,000 business leaders to find out what's really holding teams back. And in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 challenges companies face when implementing AI, and most importantly, how to overcome them. Challenge 1. Data security and privacy. Over 50% of leaders said this was the #1 barrier to adopting AI. And it's not just theoretical. This fear has already played out in real life. In 2023, Samsung made headlines when it banned employees from using ChatGPT at work. Why? Because a few engineers had accidentally pasted confidential source code into the chatbot, leaking sensitive intellectual property into an external AI model. That single mistake caused the entire company to shut down access to all generative AI tools until stricter safeguards were in place. Incidents like this make one thing clear: if an AI system can guarantee privacy, companies won't even make it past the pilot phase. The fix. Use enterprise-ready tools that don't train on your data. Opt for on-premise models, which offer managed AI with top-tier security, without the complexity of building everything yourself, and always prioritizing privacy from day one. Challenge 2. Lack of skills and knowledge. This was the second biggest barrier. 44% of respondents say they lack the knowledge to confidently adopt AI. Smaller companies struggle the most. 30% say they want to use AI, but don't know which tools or strategies to start with. The fix. Close the AI literacy gap by learning through action. Try tutorials, free courses, or even get AI certified. If you're not ready to go alone, partner with consultants or vendors who specialize in AI integration. Use hands-on experimentation. This is how top performers get ahead. Challenge number 3. Accuracy, bias, and ethics. AI isn't always right, and sometimes it can go seriously wrong. In our survey, 46% of businesses said accuracy is a major concern, and nearly a third cited ethical risk and bias. Let's take a look at an example. A few years ago, Amazon built an AI-powered hiring tool to help automate resume reviews. But there was a problem. The AI was trained on 10 years of resumes, most of which came from men. As a result, the system learned that male candidates were better and started downgrading women's applications, even penalizing resumes that included the word women's. Of course, Amazon had to shut the tool down completely. It was a wake-up call about how biased training data can lead to biased decisions. Another issue is explainability. Many AI systems function like black boxes, making decisions without clear logic. That's a problem when the stakes are high, and no one can explain why the AI recommended what it did. The fix. Keep a human in the loop. Let AI support, not replace decision-making. Use transparent models and tools you can actually audit. Focus on low-risk tasks first, like cleaning spreadsheets or summarizing text, before moving to high-stakes decisions. Challenge 4. Integration with existing systems. AI doesn't live in a vacuum. Businesses want tools that plug into their workflows. In fact, integration was rated more important than cost, security, or even output quality when choosing an AI vendor. But here's the problem. Many companies are still stuck with legacy systems, outdated ERPs, and siloed databases. The fix? Use no-code or low-code platforms to build custom AI solutions. And as a bonus, teams using no-code platforms deploy AI faster and trust it more. Challenge 5. Internal resistance. Adoption isn't just about tech, it's about trust. From older executives unsure how to use AI to employees fearing job loss, internal resistance is real. Managers in particular express anxiety about being replaced, for example. The fix? Lead with empathy and transparency. Involve employees in the process. Offer training, share success stories, and make it clear AI is here to support, not to replace your team. In fact, some companies are now hiring dedicated AI teams, turning AI champions into full-time roles. The future is exciting, but the road to get there is bumpy. Privacy issues, skill gaps, bias, bad integration, resistance, all real challenges. But they're not roadblocks. They're milestones on the way to real transformation. AI is moving fast, but with the right approach, so you can. If you want more insights about AI in the industry, check out the complete State of AI in Operations report over at glideapps.com, for all the insights, data, and strategies from over 1,000 business leaders. That's all for now. Let me know what you think about these challenges and if you ever encounter any of them while implementing AI. And I'll see you in the next one.